Well, OPPO launched the Reno 12 series in the Kenyan market about a month ago, and the AI-driven device will compete with the latest phones in the market. Calibos has been giving it a look for the past month and is here now with his in-depth review. Take a look.
Now, this is the new OPPO Reno 12 F 5G, the newest in the OPPO Reno series, launched this year around a month plus ago. And if this phone was launched nearly a year ago, the biggest standard feature would have been, new features would be on the cameras. But in this case, it's 2024, and the biggest upgrade in phones is AI. And for a mid-range phone, this phone is really packed with AI features. I've spent a month plus with this phone, and here are my standard features. For this particular phone, I don't know what exactly it's made of out of this and everything, but it really feels, premium in my hand. There's none of that, plastic feel. It's really one of the best phones on the market. And on the use case, particularly on the screen, it goes so bright in a way. The phone that I use, which is a very good phone, I'd rather use this watching YouTube channels because of the brightness on this thing. So if you're a person who is buying a phone to, take good pictures randomly in your life and just, document your life randomly and use it for maybe social media, Instagram, stuff like those. This is the perfect phone for particularly photos, If you're a video person and you're trying to, just create your own videos, this is also a perfect phone. But now when it goes to, a videographer, a person who is shooting video content, for social media, this phone would need maybe accessories, maybe like a tripod, because perfect photos, perfect videos. My only problem is the interior, the balance on there's a little shake on the videos. And so interior balance for this phone is not, as good as some of those, good video camera phones. Now, on my almost favorite feature for this phone is the AI features. And the reason why it's almost favorite is not compared to other features on the other high-end phones, is because on a mid-range phone, this phone has really packed AI features. And so the first one I want to talk about is the common one, which is the AI eraser, where you take photos, there's a photo bomb there, you have to erase. On my use case experience is, if that person you want to erase has a plain background, it's easier. But if there is something, it's a busier background, it's quite hard for AI to, execute that, because how does it replace the details? That's one. Another one is the AI studio. Pretty interesting. You can turn one of your pictures into like a superhero, which is really nice, and many other things in that studio. Another thing is, which is really interesting, is the AI link boost, where when you go into, crowded places or a lift, there is usually, a questionable network connection. For this one, it tries and support you even without connection, so that you don't lose out on the phone or the connectivity. On the launch, they did a very nice description of that AI link boost, where the guy didn't have connection or simply, no connection, and they could make a phone call. So I think for a mid-range phone, these AI features really stand out.
Well, interesting look right there at the powerful features driven by AI on modern devices. Now, the government has acquired about 11 billion shillings in loan funding from